This might be your last chance to catch this. A month ago, a small creator was barely hitting 10,000 views. Now, 23 million views and thousands in revenue, using a secret content strategy almost no one knows about. Do this now or regret it later. Here's what happened. A creator on Instagram was posting normal content tutorials, motivational reels getting average engagement. Then they stumbled on a strange idea. Grainy, security camera style videos of impossible things. For example, an ATM spitting out cash on its own at 3 a.m., a laptop typing up a passive income report in an empty room, a mysterious vending machine in a basement giving out Bitcoin. These clips blew up 23 million views on one, 11 million on another, and soon, TikTok creators started doing the same thing. Why? Because these videos make people stop scrolling. They look real. They feel like something you shouldn't be seeing. And when you combine that, you get content that not only goes viral, but also attracts viewers interested in business, side hustles, and financial freedom. That's the golden combo. High engagement plus high value audience equals serious earning potential. Now let's break down exactly how you can create these videos today. Want to earn online with YouTube? Hit subscribe now and comment earning. I'm building a community that will guide, motivate, and help you grow. Don't miss out. First, we need killer ideas. Forget spending hours brainstorming. You can have 10 unique, viral, ready ideas in under a minute using AI. Okay. Wait, before we start, if you want the secret to completing 4,000 watch hours fast, click the I button or the link in the description. This video will make hitting 4,000 hours way easier. Okay, now let's get back to the video. Head over to ChatGPT or any AI writing tool and paste this prompt. Give me 10 surreal, security camera style video ideas related to making money online, side hustles, and passive income. They should be bizarre, unexpected, and make people stop scrolling. Hit enter, and boom, you'll get ideas like a laptop on a kitchen table spitting out cash while the timestamp keeps glitching. A person asleep on the couch as their doppelganger walks out of their body and starts typing on the computer. An ATM machine in someone's living room spitting out bills at midnight with nobody around to collect it. Pick one that jumps out at you. We're not trying to make art here, we're making scroll stoppers. This is the Ferrari of AI video tools. Head over to Kling AI, create a free account, and you'll instantly get 166 free monthly credits to start generating videos, no payment required. And here's a pro hack. You can sign up with multiple Gmail accounts to get even more free credits and keep experimenting without spending a dime. Once you're in, go to Image to Video and select Frame Mode. First, prepare your starting image. You can create one using Reeve Art by pasting a ChatGPT generated image prompt. Once you have the image, upload it into Kling, paste your scene description, set the duration and style, add a negative prompt to prevent the AI from making silly mistakes, and let Kling do its magic. The result? Hyper-realistic, creepy cool videos that look like they were filmed on a real security camera, perfect for virality. Pro tip, keep your descriptions simple but vivid. Try something like kitchen table at night, old laptop spitting out cash, timestamp glitching, eerie CCTV angle. The clearer you are, the more cinematic the output becomes. No waitlists, no trials, just log in with Gmail, open Hailuo AI, paste your prompt, and upload a starting image. I'm using the same one I generated earlier. Set the duration, hit generate, and you'll have a video in minutes. The best part? Hailuo gives you free credits to start, and if you run out, you can simply use multiple Gmail accounts to stack up even more. It's not as detailed as Kling AI, but it's perfect for churning out content quickly, and speed matters when trends are exploding. Before we jump into method 3, if you also want to earn from YouTube, just create a clone channel that actually works. Check out this video on my channel. Just hit the I button or click the link in the description. It's all there waiting for you. If you want full creative control, go with Adobe Firefly. Generate an image first. Vertical format works best for shorts, reels. Then animate it into a video. Adobe even gives you free monthly credits to experiment, and you can always create multiple Adobe accounts for extra credits. Add eerie sound effects in CapCut or Premiere. Free packs are everywhere, and you've got a piece of content that looks unique and uniquely yours. Going viral is great, but how do we turn these views into income? Monetize with YouTube Shorts. Once you're getting views, YouTube will pay you directly. Affiliate links, drop links in your descriptions for tools you use like AI tools. Viewers love trying what they see in your videos. Email list. Offer a free guide, top 10 passive income ideas, and collect emails. Those emails become long-term income streams. And that's how you can use AI to create scroll-stopping, money-making viral videos, starting today for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more ways to grow and earn online, and comment below which method you'll try first: Kling AI, Hailuo AI, or Adobe Firefly. I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you how to turn one viral clip into a full automated income stream. Don't miss it.